Roaring Fire Gear is having a flash sale, introducing one of their new items, the 26-in-1 survival kit with a first aid kit. There's a lot of cool things in here, some I've never seen before in any other survival kit. And it's up to 15% on the bundle, 10% on individual items. And the bundle pack includes their sling pack. Now, one of the big things about Roaring Fire Gear is they have a lifetime warranty on their products and they have free shipping. And guys, honestly, the prices are already very reasonable. So we're gonna take a look at these two items, but the flash sale comes up all day, April 30th. Now the survival kit is in a little compartment. It has 4 closure areas. They can be a little tough. They're kind of tough to get to right here. You do have a tool if you need to with a small carabiner, but it does pop open. It's gonna make this much more secure. And this is a tough little container. Open it up and you got a lot of stuff. Now I have everything laid out. This is in the first aid kit. You can see there's a number of different things: gauze, triangular bandages, tape, small little tourniquet, elastic tourniquet, prep pads, band-aids, Q-tips, scissors. And then here with the regular kit, of course, you get your paracord bracelet, a little multi-tool. You have a handsaw, tactical pen, space blanket, whistle, a Grimlock, small little flashlight, the knife, really awesome. And it has a Roaring Fire Gear logo on here with a seatbelt cutter and with a glass breaker. Fire steel is very unique. You actually have a handle right here with a striker. And this is a really cool item. You put this over a bottle cap, your regular water bottle, and it'll hold it into place. You can strap this onto your belt and carry it right there off of your belt. I think this is pretty cool. Then for fire starting, we have a small little telescopic pipe, and you can just blow, get oxygen on things, especially in a larger pile of wood or whatever. Then you can add oxygen to your fire and get it really going. So it has some pretty unique things that are in here. Now the sling pack is ambidextrous. You can go either way with your buckle. I mean, there's a D-ring on each side. Slip it over. You can carry it like this. Of course, it's fully adjustable. You can do a lot of things with it, but real nice wide 2-inch strapping or webbing, and this holds up very well. Just makes it comfortable. But a very small pack. You can actually drop it here around the D-ring, or you have your Fastex buckle right around toward the back. We can just click it and pull it off. Or again, just throw it over your shoulder. It's made from a 900 denier Oxford material, but yet it's soft. Inside is a rubberized lining to keep it fairly water resistant from any kind of intrusions. Of course, you'll get a little bit around the zipper. We have MOLLE all the way around, have a front pouch here with zipper on the front, and then we have another pouch right behind with dual zippers. Dual zippers on the main compartment, little hook and loop field, little grab handle. Here you've got more MOLLE. Here we have some mesh panel to keep comfort. And then we have a little area right here that has a Velcro keeper for your strap. And then right here, you can pop this down and you've got a compartment in the back. Great for concealed carry. D-rings on either side here and at the top, and grommets at the bottom. Now this front little pocket is fairly narrow, but you can keep different things in there. You can actually expand this out somewhat, but it's gonna have everything to do with this back pocket. And here, back pocket with elastic keepers here, and then you have a little sleeve in the back. So you have some places to be able to do some admin, and then it really folds out into a large pocket. Then we have the main compartment, double zippers, pulls down about halfway, so you're not gonna lose your stuff. And here we have 2 sleeves, and we have a lot of room in here. Here is that material that's gonna keep it waterproof, and so that makes it nice. And then it's kind of a nylon material for the pouches. And again, in the back, just pop it open. You've got a lot of room back here. And there is some padding in between these, and a lot of that has to do with this mesh material. And guys, if you get the bundle pack, you can take in the front, drop in your first aid kit, main compartment, drop in your survival kit, and you still have a lot more room to put a lot of other things. And you're ready to go. Price on the survival kit is $40.99, which includes the first aid kit. For the sling pack, $19.99. And with the bundle pack, you get 15% off. With just the survival kit, you get 10% off. And that's all day, April 30th. And buy one for yourself and one for your baby, and you'll be ready for action. Guys, it's great to always have some kind of survival items with you at all times in your vehicle, in your pack, wherever. And then also you have a place to put them with the sling pack. Both of these are great items from roaringfiregear.com. I have a link down below in the description. It's not an affiliate. I just like the guys over at Roaring Fire. And that sale is all day, April 30th, Eastern Standard Time. 10% off single items, bundle pack, 15% off, free shipping, lifetime warranty. You can't beat it. Now go to the Roaring Fire Gear Instagram page, just Roaring Fire Gear, and they're doing a big giveaway. You want to check that out. There's a lot of cool things they're giving away there on the site. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic.